A business object is mathematical apparatus used by the system, so we can use it when writing macro codes. Let's expand it. And if we look at this list, we'll see that there is, for example, managerial transaction, acceptance operation. In this case, we can work with, and also we can work with account balances, account statements, or with banks. There is a whole bunch of business object macros here. We'll learn about them and the process of working with the system interface. We can work, for example, with accounting transactions. There is trial balance here, turnover balance sheet, as well as users working with the system, and so on. Now let's expand one of these macros, and let's look at what type of macros the business object contains. So let's expand, for example, account in this case. And if we look at this list, we'll see that we have three types of macros here. These are macro features. They have the key icon in front of them. Then there are macro functions. These are list of functions or methods which allow us to perform any function. We could extract a portion of information directly from the database, or we can return it there as well, and so on. And the third type of macros is tables. So these macro type have a table icon in front of them, and pay attention that if we expand any of these macro of features, we can see there are two types of them: get and set macro commands. So in this case, there is a get account name or set account name macro command. We can see the same three macro types in case of other business object macros as well. So if we expand any of them, let's say, for example, transaction business object macro, we can see the same macro tools here. So amount has entries, ID, etc. Those which has key icon in front of them are macro features, and add new, delete, get, and so on are functions. And there are tools which allow us to work with tables as well.